Everybody, in this video we will just discuss how to use else statement in with a while control statement in Python. Okay, how to use else with while in Python. Okay, now see, this is our basic program where using while I'm just trying to print number from 1 to 10. This program we have already discussed in our last video. Okay, so let me show you output of this particular program. So when we execute this program, we will get number from 1 to 10. Okay, so its execution, its compilation we have already discussed in our previous video. So initially value of n will become 1, then it will just check for this condition 1 less than 10 true, then will come inside and will print n as 1, and then 1 will be added in previous n, so new n will become 2, and then again control will be transferred to while condition. So this time at second iteration it will just check whether 2 less than 10, it's again true, so it's true, that's why it will just come within this while and will print n as 2, then next n will become 3 and so on. Okay, now when value of n will become 10, at that time see what will happen, 10 less than equal to 10, yes true, will come inside and will print 10. Okay, so see here we are getting 10 last value, and after printing 10, control will come here on this statement and new n will become 11. Okay, and then again control will be transferred to condition. Now n is 11, so 11 less than equal to 10, condition false. Now if this condition is a false, then according to while syntax, control will not come within the body of while. Okay, now when this, its meaning is what, this while loop will be executed until and unless this condition will never become false. Now once this condition result will be false, then control will come outside the body of this loop. Okay, and here if I write else, and then here in the else, suppose I am writing print, here you can write like I is no longer less than or equal to 10. Okay, then double inverted complete and then rounded bracket complete. Okay, now see in this case, when this else statement will be executed, when this condition will be false, and when this condition is true, then this else will not be executed. The statement which we are writing in the body of while, those statement will be executed. Okay, so until and unless this condition will never become false, this else will never get executed. Okay, once this condition false, then control will be transferred to else and then this statement will be executed. Okay, now if I execute this program, then initially I will get number from 1 to 10, and when value of n will become 11, then this condition will be false and control will be on this else and this statement will be executed. So output of this program we are expecting it as number from 1 to 10 along with this statement. Okay, so let me show you output once again. So see, this was our previous output. Now see how we are getting output. At the end we are getting I is no longer less than or equal to 10. That is, when this value of n become 11, then condition false and control will be on this else and then this statement will be executed. Okay, I hope you are getting this point, how to use else with while in Python. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for further updates.